I'm Nagesh from Cosmos Impex India Private Limited. We are a company providing machine tool solutions, whereas various spectrum of industries. So where we are a manufacturer of quality machine tools in India, which are grinding machines and special purpose grinding machines for very discerning applications, and also vertical machining centers of high quality and productivity. And also we produce products for the Indian OEMs, the machine tool builders. We produce hydraulic turrets and rotary tables. And we also bring in really high-tech machines from all over the world for the manufacturing industry from countries like Japan and Taiwan. So I will just take you around our stall. So today's focus on Imtex has been on productivity and only productivity and industry IoT, which is going to bring profits to our manufacturing brothers. So here we start with our first offer of the DigiFac, the digital factory concept, which we call the Cosmos DigiFac. Cosmos DigiFac gets all your machines of a machine shop online, makes them transparent, and we can see the performance, the downtime, the OEE, and various parameters which are very important for decision making for management, right on a web application as well as a mobile phone. So the next thing which is focus for us is automation. So we have come with automation solutions. This is a very compact boxy autoloader, which is a full package solution, which is with our two VMCs and a tap drill center, we call the mill tap center from Cosmos, which are very high speed, very 60-meter rapids and 12,000 RPM on spindle. And with the help of a single robot with 6 axes and 2 axes built inside our automation system, we have 8 axes which can cater to 2 or more machines very efficiently. This is our mill tap center, which is at 12,000 RPM and very fast acceleration and deceleration. Here we introduce the product that we launched for the Imtex this year, which is a 5-axis machine, our Phoenix series. Our Phoenix series is a state-of-the-art machine, which is fully a full 5-axis machine built with the Mitsubishi control, and which can take up to around with a 12,000 RPM direct drive inline speed motor with 18.5 kilowatt there. And we also have a wonderful tapping center, which is equivalent to any of the top of the line companies from Japan. So with the roller gear cam tables, which are the most efficient, and also the backlash free for the whole life. So this is a technology which with the 21 tool servo ATC. This is a star of our display here with the creep feed grinding technology, which we have got from our partners from Germany. We can see Marcus Lang with us, who has given us the technology to bring the creep feed grinding technology for various applications in India at a very cost-effective rate. And now we also have a state-of-the-art machine, which is, we are talking about a die mold series for which Cosmos is very famous for all across India. So the kind of finish that we are able to generate with the spindles, our imported spindles running at 12,000 RPM are very rigid and very stable, very accurate, is around RA of less than 0.4 is what we are able to achieve with our, and you can see all our machines. We have dashboards showing real-time information of what is happening on these machines, and you guys can have this at any point. You can watch this from any point, anywhere in the world, what's happening in your factories. Here we have our very efficient machining center, which is equipped with a pallet changer, which is where we have the fixtures, hydraulic fixtures, which can be indexed within 15 seconds is our indexing time, and really an efficient machine which is produced again for our production industry. All these machines we proudly make in our facility at Baroda in Gujarat. Now coming to our range of products which are technology driven, we bring to India multitasking machines. Multitasking machines with twin spindles, synchronized spindles, direct driven spindles with 36 tools, with nearly 18 driven tools, and which can do many complex components all in one setup without any touch. So it is an auto loading, and and it also unloads automatically. So, and we also have from Akira Seiki really the top of the line machining centers for all users who still love imported machines for their reliability. And this is a high powered machine with 35 kilowatt, which is a pedigree. This company is from America, but machines are made in Taiwan. Akira Seiki is famous for their really patented machines. The patented RMV series. This is a pallet changer, and with the rapids going up to, it's a BT40 machine with 12,000 RPM and rapids going up to 72 meters on the Z axis and 60 meters on both axes, and the pallet chain tank is well within 5 seconds. So this is a high productive machine for the automotive industry, very popular in India. We also bring to our customers 5-axis machines, which is the latest in technology from Leeds, which is a very famous builder and of a top of the line builder from Taiwan for rear 5-axis machines. It's got a 650 dia of rotary table, tilting and rotary table with a laser tool length measurement system, and it's a very rigid machine, and being very popular for aerospace applications, and it's of a monoblock design. And finally, we have the VTLs, which are now getting very popular in India. We have got from one of the best manufacturer in the world, UG, with whom we have a joint venture. And these machines very shortly we are going to bring to our Indian customers at much more reasonable prices, as we don't need to import them anymore after 6 months. So we already have nearly around 600 machines installed with various customers over the last 15 years. Our country, India, is such a diverse nation. So if we travel right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and from the west from Rajkot to Calcutta, we see that they have different kind of people, and especially we started as a sales organization, a sales company bringing technology to India.
Why don't you give me a little story about your sales company? How did you start?
Oh yeah, we started as a company selling cutting tools, and we started our journey with at that time Vidya. It was still there, and from there we went on with machine tools, and in the year 1993 we went to Taiwan, and we found a couple of very good companies. That was Feeler, was the brand, and Golden Sun, which were doing rotary tables and turrets at that time. And we started selling these products in India, started in 1993. Slowly as we progressed, somewhere down the line, around 18 years ago, we started our first manufacturing setup. And slowly when Golden Sun people came over and saw our machine shop, which was doing very precise equipment, so they said that why not we do turrets in India, and that's how we started this 12 years ago, a JV with Golden Sun. And so the journey went on, and machine tools was our first love, because we graduated from university as machine tool design engineers. So we started this company, two of us, myself and my friend Nimish. So we just thought that let's go and get into machine tools, and we started slowly retrofitting and servicing machine tools. And in around 8 years ago, we started our machine tool setup, where we started making surface grinding machines and special purpose grinding machines. And around 6 years ago, we went into vertical machining centers. And today we are here with a whole set of products, which is trading. We are bringing in technology to various sectors like medical industry. We are providing wonderful solutions for joints, for manufacture of various orthopedic implants, whether it's hip joints, knee joints, which all of y'all know about, and also to various industries like power generation, wind energy. So from all our partners from abroad, and for the Indian customers who are looking for very good products at a very reasonable price equivalent to international quality, we started our manufacturing, which is very much equivalent to what we see in countries where like Taiwan, and we have started manufacturing with the same philosophy and the same SOPs that we have been taught and learned from them, and we are able to bring really machines which are nearly world class. And now with a huge demand coming up that people back there would like to buy the machines out of our factories in India. So that has been our journey from seller of cutting tools to now exporting machine tools to all over the world. See, for youngsters, if you talk about marketing, that means you're talking about sales. See, sales and marketing, the first and foremost thing is focus. See, youngsters, we need to see that they should know what they're going for. Somebody should really be able to counsel them to ensure that they know what their future lies. And once they've decided the future, they have to focus on it. And what I mean by focus is, once you think machine tools is the line, or whatever is the line that you've chosen for sales and marketing, I think getting into the technical depths is not a problem, but now it's about actually going about the sales activity in a very, very systematic and a diligent manner, and keeping patience. Patience is what I feel is being in scarcity with the youngsters these days, and I think if they have this, I think the abilities are huge, knowledge availability is huge, but converting this, actually the data availability, information availability is huge, but converting this data and knowledge, information into knowledge pertinent to what they are focusing on, I mean, that is what they need to converge on. And once that is done, I'm sure that each and every one would be really successful. When I was in college, I visited Imtex first. That was in Godrej, premise in Mumbai, and I had a dream that we wanted to have a booth at Imtex someday. That was a dream as a young boy. So 1995 gave us the chance. So 1995, Imtex at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. We had a small stall because by that time we had started selling rotary tables and machining centers from Golden Sun and Fila. So we had a stall showing rotary tables. So that was when we started, and from then on, except for one Imtex in the middle, due to different reasons, we did not participate, but all the while we have always been a participant at every edition of Imtex, and this is by far our biggest participation at this show. So I could just immensely thank them for giving us this platform. It's a great platform. As I already said, even as a college-going young lad, and well into the start of my career, I always dreamt of Imtex. So I think I don't need to say many things about them. So this is what this whole exhibition, this whole event, it's become a phenomenal thing for manufacturing industry in general all over India, and I think all over the world people look forward for this show. So thank you so much for giving such a wonderful show which attracts this kind of the thinkers of the industry, the movers and shakers of the industry. So we can also get here and try to create a perception, try to show them what we really have, and we are able to show all our capabilities and all our different verticals that we have developed over the last 31 years, all under one roof. So really, we really thank you very much for that, for the whole team at Imtex.